Best you go be deep after, then you go be deep after. Because I won't feed my family, I make a tip my own guy laptop. The matter life for mommy, I thank God. And money long you go need it tractor. If you feel say you won't carry my weight, you go need you gym instructor. Straight out of it.
Good morning, guys. So today is Friday and I was thinking why not vlog about my weekend, because I have a number of activities lined up for Friday, Saturday and Sunday, so I might as well just take you guys along. Today I have a workshop that I'm giving at work. It's for startup founders and anyone who's just literally building a product community or a community around their product for their startup. The workshop is by 1 p.m. This is past 12 p.m. I've been working from my bed all morning because I didn't really feel like doing anything. I work from home, by the way, and I didn't really feel like going to my office to work from there, so I'm working from my bed. But yeah, now I need to get ready. I'm literally dressing up, so I need to do my hair. Yeah.
How does it feel to know you got what my heart desires? How does it feel to know you love?
Yeah, it's 12:30 now. Like I said, my session is by 1 p.m. so I'm just going to use the remaining 30 minutes to do some work and then just, fully get ready for the workshop. Hopefully it goes well. Fingers crossed. Thank you very much, Shadi. Hi everyone. I'm very excited to be leading this. It's good to meet you. My name is Ada, just like Shadi introduced.
Sets my soul on fire. What does that mean to you? Yeah. How does that feel to know that it's real? How does it feel to know you got what my heart desires? How does it feel to know your love sets my soul on fire? What does that mean to you?
So I just finished the workshop. It was scheduled for like 1 hour 30 minutes, but I ran over that time and almost ran into 2 hours. In fact, literally 2 hours. But it was really, really insightful. A dispatch rider was calling me throughout the call. Like, God, that was so embarrassing. I had to take like excuse to pick the call. So now I'm running downstairs to pick up my my delivery. So the wedding that I'm meant to attend tomorrow, a friend of mine, the outfit, well, the color code, I don't have anything for the color code, so I had to do like last minute purchase for the dress, and the delivery just came today, so hopefully fingers crossed. You guys, this is the outfit. It's a 2-piece and I really don't like it. It's nice, but for what I was targeting, the wedding, I don't know, it's not giving. It's not giving. It's nice, but it's not giving. It looks like I'm going for a birthday party of a 5-year-old. Like, it's just too casual. But I like it though. Ooh. But yeah, I have to look for option B, just in case this would be like my plan B. Rather, I have to look for a new plan A, because this ain't it. So I found a vendor that does same-day delivery. I ordered a dress, so I'm gonna try it out. I'm panting because I literally just climbed some flights of stairs. Good evening. It's Saturday, and well, kind of good afternoon, but it's Saturday and I am headed to the wedding. I know I said I wasn't going to wear this outfit, but the second option that I got I honestly did not like it, so I'm sticking with this outfit. Done my makeup. I'm waiting for my ride to get here so I can head out. Turns out that a couple of my other friends are going to be at that wedding as well, so it's going to be like a mini reunion. But yes, I really love my makeup a whole lot. But I'm going to show you guys my full outfit, by the way. So this is how I look. The 2-piece and nude heels. So very simple. But you guys, like, I really do love my makeup. I told myself from last year I was going to stop hiring makeup artists for any events that I had, and because I'm really good at makeup, but yeah, Okay, I'll see you guys at the wedding. Most likely, I might not take clips. I might take clips. I don't know, but if I do, I will definitely insert them.
What did you do? Make me know. You see Francis taking a hold of me for sure. Baby,
How does it feel to know you got what my heart desires? How does it feel to know your love sets my soul on fire? What does that mean to you? Yeah. How does that feel to know that it's real? How does it feel to know you got what my heart desires? How does it feel to know your love sets my soul on fire? What does that mean to you? Yeah. How does that feel to know that it's real? I got voices inside of my head telling me not to let go. My heart says the same, so I'm watching you lay in my bed. I'm thinking about saying what my heart has been feeling, but these voices inside of my head, yeah, tell me not to hold back. Instead I should say that you're the one I've been trying to impress. My love is your feeling, you better believe. How does it feel to know you got what my heart desires? How does it feel to know your love sets my soul on fire? What does that mean to you? How does that feel to know that it's real? How does it feel to know you got what my heart desires? How does it feel to know your love sets my soul on fire? What is that?
It's past 3 p.m. I'm heading out for a hangout that I have. I got invited to this beach hangout for Techies by Yellow Life event. So my friend is waiting for me downstairs. I'm about stepping out, and this is my outfit real quick. So first off, it's meant to be like a hangout to just, you know, unwind with other people who are also in tech. I didn't do makeup. I just did something really simple like white eyeliner and lashes. But yeah, this is my full outfit. So this is my full fit. Sneakers, skirts, and this very simple t-shirt and bag as well.
first you go be the backer, then you go be the backer. Because I won't feed my family, like make a tip my own guy laptop. You matter life for mommy, I thank God. And money long, you go need the tractor. If you feel say you won't carry my weight, you go need you gym instructor. Straight out of the I dropped my EP 2019. The things in the bed to go finish. My music is traveling over from India to the shadow baby. The thing will be penny. Be say una don't want the BDB. I will never forget the time they back to let them cast us away. Fast forward to today. Every day in a holiday. Every day in a holiday.
I'm back home and I'm really tired. I'm really exhausted, but I had a really good time at the event. It was really fun. I got to meet new people. It was a fun event overall, and I got some swag. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Tomorrow's a public holiday. I initially thought that, okay, when I found out tomorrow's a public holiday, I thought that, okay, maybe I would extend this vlog into tomorrow. But right now, what I want to do tomorrow is really just to rest without any vlogging or any social media type of activity, and really just rest. So I'm going to end the vlog today as pre-planned, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, please do well to like, share, and please subscribe as well. And you can follow me on social media as well at Kolokodess. Bye.